We pray, we beg, we cry in silence, and when nothing happens, we think God isn't listening. But prayer was never meant to convince God. Prayer isn't about convincing God. It's about letting God change your heart. It was meant to change us. Sometimes, God doesn't give what we ask for, not because He doesn't care, but because He sees the ending we can't. Kaya kahit paulit-ulit kang dadapa, kapag ipinagkatiwala mo sa Kanya ang plano mo, hindi ka mawawala. Hindi ka iiwan. Maybe the delay is protection. Maybe the pain is preparation. And one day, you look back and realize, hindi ka tinanggihan. Ina-align ka. Kaya kahit masakit, kahit hindi mo maintindihan, the best plan will always be His. If God made you wait, it's because what's coming is worth becoming.